last page. Okay, so looks like we're simplifying again and solving. So since there's two logs, I have to make it one log. And so it's going to be x times x minus 21 equals 2. Distribute, distribute. Put that in parentheses. Now there's nothing else I can do. I have to change it to exponential form. First I have to remember base 10. So x squared minus 21x equals 100, because 10 squared is 100. Okay, I should have shown that. 10 squared, I'm just out of space. You'll have more space. Set it equal to 0. Factor it. Two numbers that multiply to get 100 and add to get 21. So my two answers are 25 and negative 4. I can't take the log of a negative, that one's out, and log of 25 and log of 4 does end up working. Okay, let's go to the next one. All right, first thing I can do, I could combine those, but that's going to be kind of a pain. It might just be easier to add 5 to both sides, because the 5 isn't attached to that and there's no x, it'd just be easier. I can't make the bases the same. What do? Log both sides. Little turns big. Okay. Divide by log 5. Pick up my calculator. .11. Add 1. Divide by 4. And I get 0.77, which is 0.78. I want to check it because you know me and made a mistake before. So I should be able to go 0.78 times 4 minus 1. Let me zoom that out a little bit. And then I need to go 5 to that answer. So 5 to the, if I go second negative, it tells me the answer. And now I subtract 5, and I get about 25. Okay? All right, last one. Okay, this is the day I wasn't here, but you're fine because you watched the video. Instead of taking the log, well, actually, let's make that a 21, please. It'll just be easier. So I'm going to divide by 7. Now, I can't make the bases the same, but I can't log both sides because it's not going to get rid of that e. So what I'm going to have to do this time is natural log. Okay, this cancels because they're inverses of each other, equals natural log of 3. Now I divide by negative 1.2. Let's do that. So natural log is right here. So natural log of 3, end parenthesis, divided by negative 1.2, and I get negative 0.92. I want to show you how to check it, so let me zoom out real quick. So move this over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go negative 1.2 times 0.92. Then I'm going to take e to that answer. So I'm going to go second natural log to my answer, which is second negative, and then multiply that by 7, and I should get close to 21. Whoa! Okay, let's try this again. What did I do wrong? Okay, let's make sure I did that right. So natural log of 3, 1.09 divided by negative 1.2. Okay, that works. Let's make sure, let's see what I did wrong. So, 7 parentheses, second e, to the negative 1.2 times negative 0.92. Okay, there we go. So just because you check it doesn't mean it's good. So be careful about those types of things. Maybe just type it in straight, which I should have done first. All right, we got a word problem. Okay, what am I looking for? The word compounded? Nope, nope. That's the formula I'm using. All right, the rate is 3.8%, so it's growing. So 100 plus 3.8 is 103.8%, 1, 2, so that means that's 1.038. Now, they didn't give me a start and they didn't give me an end, but they told me it's going to quadruple. So let me do an example. If this was 10, that would be 40. When I divide by 10, what do I get? 4. If this was 5 and I quadruple it, that would be 20. When I'm solving, divide by 5, what is that? 4. So I know that my A is irrelevant. I know that that quadruple means 4. So now, what do I do? Log both sides. Whatever. Okay, so I have the log of 4 equals little gets big. And then now I divide by log 1.038, divide by log 1.038. And I get 37.17 equals x. Okay, about how long? About 38 years. Okay, now let's say you don't believe me. Okay, I should be able to go this to the 38th power and get 4, 1.038 to the, I'm going to do 37.17. And I get 3.99, which is about 4. Okay? All right. Describe the transformations. Reflection over x-axis. Vertical compression by a factor of 1/3. Horizontal translation, 1 unit left. Vertical translation, 6 units up. Don't write it like that. Write it out. If you don't write it out, you're not going to get full credit. All right, they want an equation. Well, here's my start. And they wanted to do P in terms of T. So that means I got to go P sub T equals 100. Now you go, which equation do I use? Do you see compounded? No. It's just this one then. Okay? We got to see the numbers are getting bigger, which means it's more than 100%. And if you go, okay, I don't know which one to divide, try going 100 divided by 112. If you look, that's 89%. That would mean decay. So try 112 divided by 100. And you get 1.12. So let's say you go, Miss Rifkin, I don't believe you. I should be able to go 112 times this and get this. So 112 times 1.1, oops, 12, and I get 125.54, or 44, times 1.12. There you go, 14.49. Okay. So that's all they wanted. Ooh, but I'm wrong, because I said P in terms of T, so I need to say time, not X. Don't lose a point for that. That's it.